In this video, I will show you how to fix a PC that shuts down while gaming. Sudden shutdowns during gameplay are frustrating and can be caused by a few common issues, and we'll go through them step by step. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful PC troubleshooting guides. Let's start by checking the CPU and GPU temperatures while you are gaming. Use temperature monitoring software and watch what happens just before the PC shuts down. If the temperatures rise very high before the shutdown, overheating is most likely the cause. While doing this, also look inside the case and confirm that all system fans are spinning properly. The next thing to do is clean dust and improve airflow inside the PC. Turn off the system completely and unplug it from the power source. Remove dust from the case fans, the CPU cooler, and the GPU fans. After cleaning, make sure the PC is placed in an open and well-ventilated area so hot air can escape easily. Now, let's check the power supply capacity because the PSU plays a major role during gaming. Confirm that the PSU wattage matches the requirements of your CPU and GPU. Gaming puts a heavy load on the power supply, and if the PC shuts down instantly without showing a blue screen, this often points toward a weak or failing PSU. After that, make sure all power connections are properly secured. Reseat the 24-pin motherboard cable, the CPU power cable, and the GPU power cables. Push each connection in firmly so nothing is loose, because loose power cables can cause shutdowns when the system is under load. Next, test the wall power source your PC is using. Plug the PC directly into a wall socket and avoid extension cords or low-quality surge protectors. Unstable power delivery from these can easily cause sudden shutdowns during gaming. Now move on to graphics drivers and check if they are causing the issue. Install the latest GPU drivers from the manufacturer. If the shutdown started after a recent update, roll back to a stable version, since driver problems can cause crashes during intense gaming. After that, check the RAM stability. Power off the PC and reseat the RAM modules properly. If you have multiple RAM sticks installed, test them one at a time. Faulty RAM can cause the system to shut down when gaming puts the system under load. Next, take a look at Windows Event Viewer to check system logs. Review the errors that appear around the time the PC shuts down. These logs can help point toward power or hardware-related problems. Now, check for software or malware conflicts. Run a full antivirus scan to rule out malware issues. After that, perform a clean boot to see if any background applications are causing instability during gaming. Finally, lower the gaming load as a testing step. Reduce the in-game graphics settings and test again. If the PC stops shutting down after lowering the load, the issue is most likely related to power or temperature limits. And there you have it. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you figure out why your PC shuts down while gaming and fix the issue without any confusion. If one of these steps worked for you, or if you're still facing the problem, let me know in the comments and share what you found.